I just recently watched How to Spot a Liar by Pamela Meyer. It was a wonderful TED Talk, and the first thing that she did whenever she came out was to tell each and every person in the crowd that they are a liar. The person to the left of them is a liar, the person to the right of them is a liar. She wanted that to be completely established first. Then she went on to tell a first truth, that lying is a cooperative act. We must accept being lied to. And we do this for multiple reasons. A good liar will find what we want and what we desire in life, and they will use that against us to manipulate us. If we don't want to be lied to, the first thing that we should do is figure out what we want, what we desire, what we're hungry for. And then it will be harder for us to be lied to. She wanted to give some facts about lying. The first fact that she gave, that strangers will lie 3 times to you within the first 5 minutes of meeting you. Men will lie 8 times more than women about themselves, and that extroverts oftentimes lie more than introverts. But the biggest and craziest fact that she gave was that $997 billion was taken through corporate fraud in the past year. That was 7 years ago. The second truth that she discussed was that we are against lying, but we are covertly for it. Lying is historical. She gave examples of it through the Bible and Shakespeare. We've been lying ever since we were little. We lied as babies by crying to get attention. Even animals lie. She gave an example of a gorilla who knew sign language and blamed her ripping a sink out of a wall on her pet kitten. The last thing that Pamela did was discuss how to spot a liar. And you could do that through 2 things, speech and body language. Through speech, you can spot a liar through improper language and distant speech. Through body language, you can spot a liar by them head nodding, shrugging, blinking at a rapid pace, shifting from side to side, their vocal tone fluctuating, and their position by maybe pointing their feet at the exit. She wanted to mention that these are just behaviors and they are only red flags. People do this on the daily and we do it subconsciously. However, clusters of these actions is a good signal that one is lying to you. Thank you.